Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showing off the Delta One Someone Somewhere packet. This just came out about a week and a half ago. So this is if you're staying in Delta One on a Delta jet, going somewhere pretty far. This is from a 767. So that's someone and somewhere that made it. And this is the nice lining on the inside. So this is their Amenity kit that they have right now. Looks like it's made with the same material. The eye covers right there. And then your Z's, so probably earplugs. And then they have this humble brush. It's made out of bamboo. And it comes with a small fresh mint fluoride toothpaste. There we go. Get that full view right there. And then they give you it looks like a cardboard pen. So it says Delta on it right there. It's nice. And then a few more goodies in here. There's two goodies right there. This is from Grown Alchemist right there. Comes in a little small black bag. You get the hand cream. That's nice. And then looks like a lip balm. And there we go. And that's what comes in the new Someone Somewhere Delta One Amenity kit. So it's like their business first class put together up front. I've been in Delta One a couple times and it's quite nice. And this is their new Amenity kit for 2022. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. And of course, thumbs up.